Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy our Rams. I'm here to show you this 2020 Ram 1500 Sports. Let's take a peek. So it does have a 5.7 HEMI and it is a Sports. You're going to have blacked out LED headlights, color matched everything. We do have 20-inch fuel Rams and 35 by 12.5-inch Toyo MTs, kickbacks, all that good stuff, and of course a 6-inch BDS Lift. We'll come all the way back here. It is a crew cab with the 6.4 box as well. You are going to have the blacked out LED tail lights, park sensors, front and back, dual exhaust, all that good stuff, but we'll go look inside and finish up. So inside the truck, the first thing you're going to see, the 12-inch screen. You do have a backup camera, of course. They're super clear. You can hit the little magnifying glass and it tilts down. And you can also see you have heated and cooled seats because we only lift fully loaded trucks. Like I said, the front and rear park sensors and nav on this as well. You do have a full panoramic sunroof and a lot of storage in this truck with the full center console. Bluetooth, cruise control, pretty standard stuff like that, trailer brake. But we'll look in the back seat and finish up. So in the back seat, the leather does follow all throughout. They added the 4 inches in the cab, so it's really big in here. And underneath, you do have added storage if you want, as well as under these floor mats, there's in-floor storage. But if you want a couple more pictures of this truck, pricing, all that good stuff, you can click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.